617 I step.
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 617 I bet. 617 I step.
Live like a king.
617 I step hard.
Ain't built like me.
617 I sell, yeah.
A bunch of fiends.
617 I bet, yeah.
Ain't built like me.
Listen, nobody wants.
What's going on YouTube? My name is Fahim and I'm back with another video, and as you guys saw by the title in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys me changing my taillights from the stock ones to the new Hi-Rev Sports smoke taillights. So let's get into this video. So these are the Hi-Rev taillights that I got, and I got them in the light smoke. As you guys can see, this is the side of the box. Hi-Rev Sport taping going on, handled with fragile care. Civic version 3 smoked lights. So I already opened the box. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I can. So this is one piece of the lights that go on the trunk part. So this is what it looks like smoked. That's one part. Put that back in, hopefully correctly. Yep. Take this whole part out, and this is the actual light, tail light, right here. Don't want to scratch it up or anything, but this is what it looks like. Like I said, it is smoked, but yeah, this is what it looks like right here. Pretty much, this is all the wiring that's got, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'll show you guys. These right here are the reflector lights that I got. So they are also smoked lens. There's nothing else written on the box, but just some reflector lights. So with these, you can actually have it so it's connected to the brake light. These are not turn signal reflectors. Or actually, I don't know if they're turn, but honestly, I don't want it to have it as a turn signal or a brake light. I honestly just want it so that the reflectors are gone, because I think reflectors, they just look ugly plain. But as you guys can see, it's black, it's smoked, so I think it's gonna look really good. As you guys can see, it's a simple one like that. That's the wiring behind it, nothing else in the box. So I just gonna want to have it so that when it's nighttime, the light is on, but not as a brake light, not as a turn light. I don't want that. I just want to have it on when it's nighttime. So yeah, these are the reflectors. Alright, here's the reveal of the final product. So we got the reflectors and then the tail lights right there done. Like I said, it's smoked, blacked out. And if you see right here, this is the trunk spoiler light, if you want to say, right here. So I put a tint film over it. Well, not me, the guy who I got this done by. He put a tint film over it. But this is what the lights look like here. As you can see, I think it blends the car a lot better. Since it is all black and smoked, I think it just blends in naturally. And this right here, the reflector, it's not just like a red light. It wasn't even a light, it was just a thing right there. So it's all blended. I think it looks a lot better like that. And I'll give you guys a nighttime view of how these headlights look with everything on, and I'll show you all the animations that these tail lights do. So I'll show you guys a different view at nighttime. But I'll show you guys what the turn signals look like. There, I'll just unlock my car. That's what the lights look like. Boom. And these, I only connected the light, so these also operated as a brake light, but I did not want it to operate as a brake light. I just wanted the light to be on when these turn on at nighttime. So that's that. So those just stay on. They don't do anything, but I'll show you guys what the reverse lights also look like. I didn't show you guys a before of the reverse lights when there was just the stock ones with the halogen bulbs, but I'll show you guys the camera inside with the white ones, because these are white LED reverse lights and they are a lot brighter and they help the view a lot more. So I'll show you guys all that when it gets a little bit darker out. Alright guys, I showed you what the car looks like with the lights off, so right now I'm going to show you what the car looks like with the lights on. There we go. So I told you there's an animation. I'll show you, get a close-up on one light here, show you the animation. So what that looks like is doing the same thing on the other side, as you can see. There we go. And boom, that's the whole animation, and that's what it looks like when it's lit. I'm going to show you what the turn signals look like. And there we go. As you guys can see, it is sequential. Doing that on both sides. And then I'm going to show you what the brake looks like right there. And yeah, that's it. So as you guys, I said before that these reflectors are not brake lights, so they didn't lit up. As you guys can see, they just stay lit. The trunk light, you can't see it right now, obviously, because it's nighttime, but I did have the guy where I got these lights installed. I had him put a tint film over it, so he did that. He did a great job. But yeah, these are the lights here. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video of me getting the Hi-Rev Sports smoked taillights installed in my 2020 Civic Si. So the reason why I did this is because I wanted the car to have a unique, different look, which is exactly what these taillights do, and I think it does a great job of doing that. And the animation, as you guys saw, is very dope. I like what the animation looks like, and I like how the turn signals are also sequential. I think that gives it a nice touch. And because I got smoked lens version, I wanted to get black smoked reflectors, because the red reflectors would have just thrown the whole car off if it's all blacked out and smoked. So I replaced those, and I only have a running light, so at nighttime when all the lights turn on, it will only turn on. It's not a brake light. I think adding it as a brake light would have been too much, which is exactly why I did not do that. And yeah, other than that, I think it just makes the car look very good. And let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below if you guys like it, because I like it and I think it looks really good on the car. And yeah, if you guys want to know where I got it from, it's Hi-Rev Sports. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And it's not just Honda Civics they mod. They do like Toyota, Subarus, all that. So check it out. Check to see if your car is there, because you can get some dope mods from them. I've done it before, and I got the wireless charger from them. I got these taillights from them, and I got folding mirrors that you guys haven't seen yet, but I'm getting those. And yeah, I recommend them. They're good. And yeah, link is down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Nobody, I just roll 4 blunts, some more Ivy. Hey, ball pocket in the corner, I caught it. Place your bets, I'll raise them, bitch, show, been